David, you've chosen the Correa Norma L. What was your reason behind this purchase?
Hopefully to increase production and free up other machines by being able to do more operations in one hit. And also it replaces an old mill, an old manual mill, which was a similar size.
And so why did you go for the Correa brand?
Well, I think we under the impression that's one of the best out there on the market.
I've worked with Dugard before over the years at other companies, and they've always been helpful, and I've had to deal with them over the years with like any problems, and I've always been happy with the results because they always help me, and others you don't always get the answers, so it's just been a no-brainer for me. The machines I've got, a lot of them are Dugards and they're brilliant. I can't knock them in any way.
Basically we had to briquette 100 tonnes of cast iron per week, loose cast iron.
100 tonnes?
100 tonnes,
right.
Yeah. So basically we have 4 hoppers. It can store 11 tonnes of cast iron in the hoppers. It's all fully automated. As soon as they put the swarf in, it automatically starts, briquettes it. As soon as the weight has been reached, the machine stops. They then can change the bin, restart it again, and it's fully automatic until the weight is reached again.
Well, normally we're used to seeing 400 or 500 engineers over a 4-day period, but obviously we can't do that here. But we're going to be bringing you some really interesting information. But Steve, just pose a question to you. I'm going to put you on the spot. Within your portfolio, how many machines do you have?
Oh yes, you put me on the spot. 150 plus. I think it's 156.
57. You're very, very
close.
close.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, and we're developing all the time. And not only are we developing products within the portfolio, it's everything else around it. It's the digitisation, the automation, and also being able to link in third parties' equipment as well. That's a given for us.
Is this one of your most popular 5-axis?
Yeah, as we spoke about yesterday, this is the most popular 5-axis machine that D&G Morris supply, and as I said yesterday, because it's, in my opinion, it's a great general subcontractors machine. So you're doing titanium, you're doing aluminium, steels, you can chop and change day in, day out.
What about the DMU 60 Evo Linear? That's some machine as well, isn't it, when it comes to the speed?
Yeah.
That's another league when it comes to performance, isn't it?
Okay.
Yeah, the Evo range is certainly one of the most dynamic machines that you can get your hands on. And it's for 2 reasons really. The design of the table is one of the reasons the machine's fast. It's like a knuckle design, so the centre point of rotation is very high on the table, and that's extremely important for 5-axis machining.
Today I'm with Nick Menzies. I'm here at Printing Portal down in Kent.
Cutting tool selection has never been more important than it is today. I'm here outside this business in Derby, and I'm going inside to find out why they selected Hoffman as their cutting tool provider of choice.
We're at Empire Manufacturing, Hoddesdon in Hertfordshire. Great success story, loads of investment in new machines, but part of the thing holding it all together, PSL Data Track.
We're doing a bit of a behind the scenes here, G-Man. What are you looking forward to today?
Everything really. I'm looking to find out about all of the capabilities of the machines, the advanced technologies and the technological advancements that have been made, and the reasons why people are choosing sliding edge technology.